everyone, this is Andy from Infragistics and I'm a UX designer for App Builder. Since you're interested in entering this fun challenge, I want to quickly walk you through App Builder and show you how you can easily create an app that meets the required criteria for this contest, and also increase your chances of winning one of these top prizes. After you enter the contest by filling out this form, you will be then prompted to start your free trial of App Builder. Once logged in, you're now ready to begin creating a new application. Let's begin by using a blank template. This is the main interface of App Builder. On the left, we have our side toolbar split into tabs, where you can find your screens, available components, data sources, themes, and assets. Let's start in the Views tab, where you can create child pages under our master page. When you go back to the master page, you can add a views container, which will display the contents of the child pages. For the contest, you must have a minimum of 5 screens and a maximum of 10. Now we need some layout containers to give the app some structure. You can drag and drop from the Components tab directly to the canvas, or use Ctrl-E or Command-E to quickly add components. I'm adding a column layout, and inside, I want to add a chart, and then below, a grid. To meet the criteria, you must add a category or pie chart and use at least 5 other different components from the toolbox. Once added, I now want to give it some air around the components. So here, you can add a padding to the container, and to space them out vertically, you can add some gap. Next, you can change the chart's color palette here to one of the palettes we provide, or create your own by adding a set of hex values here. In this section, you can see the grid features that are enabled by default, and you can add or remove other grid features to make the grid more powerful. As part of the contest, you must use one of our default themes that you can easily switch. But you also have the option to create your own by duplicating one of the default ones. Once you create your custom theme based on one of the 3 base themes, you can change the mode from light to dark, you can customize the colors, typography, the roundness, and the shadows. Now that you've seen how to add all the required items, let's take a look at the options you have to gain bonus points. If you go back to the master page, you can add a navigation bar to navigate among all the pages in the app. Enable a content to get some buttons to link to your inner pages. You can also wrap the views container in a row layout and add a navigation drawer, where you will add navigation items to link to all the pages in your app. Then you need to add interaction by clicking here on the plus button, choosing Navigate to, and then picking one of your child views. Another option to gain more bonus points is to add a reveal dashboard. You can do this by adding an additional child view, hit Ctrl-E, and search Reveal Dashboard. By clicking on the Preview button on the top right, you can preview your app and see the code behind. And also you can see the navigation interactions you added. I've now shown you all the requirements for the contest, but since creativity is part of the judging criteria, we encourage you to add any other elements you like and customize your app to the best of your ability. Once you're satisfied with your completed app, it's now time to submit using one of our 3 methods. First, hit the share icon on the top right, and then submit via Twitter by hitting the Twitter icon, using the hashtag #MadeWithAppBuilder, and tag @Infragistics in your post. Another way to submit is via Discord by hitting copy link and pasting to our Discord channel with your first and last name. If you prefer to submit by email, hit the copy link and paste it to the pre-populated email with your first and last name. We will provide links to each of these options throughout our email communications as well as on the contest landing page. Once you submit through one of these methods, keep an eye out for an invite to our winner announcement webinar and see who takes home our top prize. You're now ready to build your own app. We can't wait to see what you create using App Builder.